All right, welcome back to our video series on creating a maze solving GUI. In this video, we're going to get started on our menu bar. Just get the groundwork laid, and then we'll add on, we'll finish it. And this is probably going to be a couple of videos to get this all working. So, okay, so we're going to start. Let's take a look at VS Code. The first thing I'm going to do is in my maze frame, I'm going to go ahead and add another private instance variable. I'm going to call it, it's going to be a J menu bar. That's its type, so J menu bar. I'm going to make sure that gets imported. And I'm just going to call this the menu bar. Okay. Now inside of my maze frame, we're going to have to, sorry guys, I'm going to go here. We're going to have to set the J menu bar. So I'm going to say set J menu bar, and we're going to set it to our menu bar variable. Okay. Now we're going to have to, inside of our constructor here, before we do that, we're going to have to say what our menu bar is. So menu bar equals new J menu bar. And for now, I'm just going to save and then compile, and we'll run. Okay, now at this point, notice there's at the very top here, you can kind of make out there's now a gray sliver right here. This is the menu bar. We just haven't put anything in it yet. So that's going to come next. Okay. So I think what we'll do is I'm going to write a separate method here. I'm going to call it, so it's going to be a void method, public void, make menu bar. All right, so just to kind of break everything up. So right here, after I say, actually, I'm just going to go ahead and move this. I'm going to cut that and put it inside of my make menu bar right here. And I'll just call make menu bar from inside my constructor. Make menu bar. All right. Cool. So inside my menu bar here, a couple things we have to do. So there's these things called, there's J menus, and then there's J menu items. Okay, so a menu is the drop down, like file, right? Like file up here, this is the menu. And then all these individual things are called menu items. So we have the menu bar, which is the thing going across, the menu, which is the thing going down, and then the individual item. Okay, so I'm going to make some J menus. I'm going to let this autocomplete so it imports. Okay, so it's going to import JavaX Swing J menu. So J menu, I'm just going to call this file equals new J menu. And then you put, in the constructor, you put the string. Okay, I'm going to do another J menu. Call this animate equals new J menu, and we'll call this animation, which I foresee as being like on off, and then J menu algorithm. Okay, so new J menu, and this will be where we choose which algorithm to use. Okay, so now we have to add each of these to our menu bar. So we'll just say menu bar dot add file, menu bar dot add animate, menu bar dot add alg. Okay, so now if we compile this and we run it, now we can see at the top here we have these nice menus. So that's cool. File animation algorithm. So what we're going to do now is we want to add some menu items. Okay, so before we add this, I'm going to make a J menu item. And again, I'm going to auto-complete that so that it imports. So this I'm just going to say is, for right now, call this quit. So jmenu item. And we're going to give it the string quit. Okay. And then we're going to add quit to file. So we're just going to say file.add quit. Okay. So now the file, and now we see quit. Cool. Now to get quit to actually do something, we're going to say quit dot, I believe it's add action listener. Make sure I'm not going crazy here. I believe it's add action listener. The idea being we're going to check for a click, so add action listener equals new action with an action listener. Okay. Okay. Goes new action listener. Now this is an abstract method, which means we have to do action performed. So the idea being when it gets clicked, what happens? So when this gets clicked, we're going to do the same thing that our button does. So recall that our button up here, I'm sorry, what our button used to do, which was to quit. And so I think we just said system.exit, and we'll give it a code of 0. Okay. And so now if we compile this and we run it, okay, now solving should still work. Now if I go file quit, and there we go. Very cool. So we have a basic menu. We have our quit button working. And so, you know, going back to, let's go back to our to-do list here for our menu bar. Now, I don't know that I had quit listed there, but oh yeah, I do have quit. Cool. So we have open maze, save maze, choose algorithm, show animation. So we have these in our menu bar. We don't actually have anything working for them. So that'll be probably sometime between the next video. You know, go ahead and take a moment, and I want you to fill in what you can for these other menus. Go ahead and get those working, and then I'll just show you the results of what I've gotten at the beginning of the next video. So yeah. So thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.